Solar energy installers are the boots on the ground in the renewable energy movement, helping homeowners, businesses, and industry to reduce energy usage and costs. Solar photovoltaic installers, or PV installers, set up and maintain solar panels. They connect PV or solar panels to the power grid and test solar powered systems for quality performance. Solar thermal installers and technicians install systems that use solar heated water. They mount collectors on roofs and install plumbing, including pipes, fittings, pumps, and electrical equipment. Solar thermal workers test all related systems and make sure pipes and tanks are sealed and secure. Customer service skills are helpful as solar installers often train users on how to operate solar equipment. Installers need agility and balance and must be able to lift heavy equipment, parts, and tools. These workers risk falls and use protective gear and practices to avoid electrical shocks and burns from hot equipment. PV installer training can last from a few days to a few months and is available at technical and trade schools. Solar thermal technicians typically need technical training, related on the job experience, or an associate's degree. Electrician or construction experience may be helpful.